Most organizations waste millions of dollars every year on change programs that fail to deliver worthwhile benefits. They invest millions in systems and processes and new operating models that aren't properly utilized or adopted by staff and cause workforce confusion and disillusionment in the process. Now, whether you believe the studies that say transformation initiatives fail 70% of the time or not, the unassailable truth is that changing a large organization is extremely difficult and it's fraught with risk. And if you're a CEO, having to report to the board on the lack of progress or inadequate benefits from your transformation initiatives isn't much fun. Not seeing the results of months of effort and hard work and investment feels debilitating. The good news is, with the right expertise, you can master the art of leading transformational changes in your business and turn your organization into an adaptive powerhouse, ready to compete and win in a rapidly evolving world. With the right capabilities, you can deliver consistent, predictable, positive outcomes on every change effort. And imagine how great it would be to be known as a true transformation leader, recognized for the frequent success of your strategic initiatives and the adaptive culture that you've built. Now, every organization is different, but in my experience, organizations lack several capabilities that are necessary to lead and implement successful change. Number one, there's a lack of clarity in the future state and what the change is about. If people don't see your inspiring vision or understand the specific metrics that define the actual change, people get confused. If they don't know where they're going, they won't be motivated and they'll never arrive. Number two, there's often a lack of commitment to change from managers and employees. Commitment is the result of understanding the problem to solve, the importance of the change, and the confidence to tackle it. The number one job of your executive team is to drive change commitment across the organization, which brings me to the third issue. Number three, many of your managers lack the mindset and the skills to activate commitment and lead their people through each tricky phase of change. The ability to influence the energy, the emotions, and the beliefs of others is a sophisticated leadership skill that requires careful development. Number four, often executive leaders aren't mindful of the limited capacity and priorities of your people, and too often they bombard employees with too many concurrent priorities and projects. When overloaded, people simply drop things and their attention is limited. Number five, many organizations lack a repeatable process to consistently execute change successfully. Without an agreed way of delivering change that suits your organization, project teams, managers, and employees won't know their role and responsibilities to make change projects succeed. And there are many other challenges to do with change, but this is probably the top five. Now, I've helped many organizations overcome these challenges and more. My Change Maturity Development Program includes diagnostics and learning workshops and mentoring and advice to rapidly build your change capability and set your organization up to deliver greater returns on your strategic initiatives over the next 1 to 3 years. I'll help you develop and lead an adaptive organization with proven change methods and committed, capable leaders ready to implement transformative change. Mastering change as an executive leader and as an organization will increase the benefits of your change investment by millions of dollars, and it'll also mitigate the risk of failed programs and disruption to your operations. Importantly, it will elevate your status as an executive leader capable of transforming organizations. If you're spending millions of dollars changing your organization with even more millions in benefits at stake, an investment to raise your change maturity is worthwhile to increase the odds of success and safeguard your overall transformation investment along with your personal reputation. Now, if you want to keep implementing software, process changes, operating models, frameworks, and cultural standards that employees ignore or don't properly use, this program isn't for you. If you're content being an average manager rather than an exceptional transformational leader, this program isn't for you. On the other hand, if you're ready to stop driving yourself crazy, trying to make bold changes in your business and failing time and time again, leaving you feeling frustrated and defeated, then we should talk. If you want to ensure your organization is keeping up with the rate of industry change and that you are in control of your changing organization, we should talk. When you work with me, you get an experienced thought leader in change, leadership, and strategy execution. I've trained, mentored, and coached and advised thousands of leaders in just about every sector and scale, from multi-billion-dollar listed companies to not-for-profits to family-owned businesses, government agencies, and multinationals. I'm an experienced executive myself. I'm a qualified company director and chairman, so I get the leadership and governance challenges that you're facing. I don't delegate to junior consultants, and I transfer my expertise generously rather than implementing it for you and creating independence. I'm also dedicated to building close, trusted relationships with you rather than continually trying to sell in additional billable consultants into your business. So if any of this resonates with you, please get in touch. Go to the contact menu on my website or hit the button on one of these pages and let's book a time in. And I can't wait to help you transform yourself, your team, and your organization. Speak to you soon.